course, we had the Innovation Awards here at SALTEX this year, and one of the categories was environmental and sustainability, and this baby was the winner of that award, which is just brilliant. And you know what I'm like, any opportunity to get a ride on a tractor, I'm straight in there. So here we go, let's have a little, seat went down, very nice. I have to say, it's very comfortable. Come and have a word with me.
Hi there, okay?
Yeah. Craig, so I'm sitting on an award-winning bit of kit here, aren't I?
You are, yeah. We yesterday received an Innovation Award for the tractor, globally the only electric compact tractor, available.
That is quite incredible, and it seems to be a bit of a theme of SALTEX this year, the electric and battery-powered machinery coming through. Definitely,
and a lot of customers that have come here today specifically come to look at this tractor, and they know over the next few years it's the way it's going to go, and they're surprised to actually see one this soon.
Yeah. So tell us a little bit more about this then.
Right, so this is the Farmtrac FT25G. It's 18 kilowatts, which is about 25 horsepower.
Okay.
It's got a 72 volt lithium-ion battery, and it's just as capable as the diesel equivalent. And we've got quite a lot of machines out there. We've got a big dealer network, and everyone seems to be having a good time with the tractor. And customers are very happy. Yeah,
it's brilliant. So, just thinking about SALTEX generally, how has the show been this year for you?
It's been really busy. From after 10 o'clock in the morning, once everyone's finished the cup of tea and the bacon sandwiches, it's been absolutely flat out until about 3 o'clock when everyone's ready to go home. A lot of constructive conversations. We've had a good time. I've drank about 6 litres of water. So yeah.
I've wondered what you were going to say there, 6 litres of. Now, Resync as well, they you sponsor, it's the young board, isn't it, for the GMA?
That's correct, yeah. And that's proving quite successful. It's all about marketing and PR. And it's good to be sponsoring that.
And of course, you've been coming for a long time to SALTEX. You're not newbies to this,
no,
are you?
Definitely not. It's a long time, although this is only my first time here.
Oh, really?
So but it's been enjoyable, and the feedback from everybody and the interaction, it's been fantastic.
So, Craig, will we be seeing you back here at SALTEX next year?
100% next year. Yes, I will see you then.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.